Okay, these are really cheap ass signs. Can you guys afford any better than this? Like if we're YouTubing, right?
Okay.
Like, do you think people are gonna stand this? Y'all can. If you're touching my skin, we're going skin to skin here.
You're gonna have to.
Yeah, you're like,
Is my fucking face funny to you?
Yeah.
you're like, I'm shy.
I'm shy. What? Is that funny to you? Hi y'all. Hi y'all. We're here at Velma I's channel, and we're here. We're gonna play a game called Have I Ever Y'all Ever Have?
In the camera. Interesting.
We're gonna play a game called Have Y'all Ever Have?
Never have. Let's go.
There you go. Let's go. Look, I got bit by something.
Have y'all never have eaten pickles? Go, babe.
A pickle or pickles?
Pickles.
Pickle. I have eaten a pickle.
Okay.
Okay, go.
A night.
Yeah.
Right now, we're here with some friends, and we're gonna play a game called May I Ever Have Ever Have? Never have ever have. Oh, never have I ever. There you go.
Okay.
That's it.
They get it.
My phone too.
Never have I ever lied to get a job.
I lie all the time. Because I'm an illegal immigrant, so I have to lie about the fake green card.
Never. You have?
Yeah.
I have.
So you have to drink
I have.
your water.
So if you have to drink, right?
Yeah.
What are you
And I never have, so.
I don't know, fool.
Never have I ever eaten food that fell on the floor.
I have. Fuck yeah. All the
I
time.
have.
Yeah.
Never.
It tastes so good with the.
I don't like to. Like it's rare.
No, it's so
I
good.
have.
It's so good to eat.
Has
off the
extra
floor.
flavor.
Fuck yeah, especially like the big old Big Mac. Never have I ever gone commando. I have.
What?
Gone commando like without endure.
In jail. You did in jail all the time. In jail I did. Like yeah.
No.
My butt was like
No.
flying in the air.
I didn't in jail.
I have. You didn't?
No, they gave us
Yeah.
disposable.
Okay, go.
Here you go.
Never have I ever worn clothes to hide a hickey.
Oh.
I have.
I have. No, I don't know.
Don't lie. Don't lie, Sergio.
I never had mine.
You just pop on the sweater, you're good.
My turn off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Never have I ever had a surprise party thrown for me.
I never have. That's sad, but I never
Have.
have.
Yeah.
I never have. Have you?
Never have I ever been kicked out of a bar.
Okay, first of all, they're teenagers. So how
Oh,
they...
you haven't.
No.
She's 21.
Yeah.
But not you?
Yeah, but I mean,
Okay, no, let's ask.
I can't answer. I put never.
Never.
Yeah, really? Yeah.
I mean,
I never
Yeah,
have.
Yeah, I have.
God, you're crazy. Where from?
I got in a fight.
From the tub house? What's that called?
Club tap. Well, no, somebody had my friend by the hair, and then I had to touch her.
Like you punched me? DV. Put my name.
never have I ever tried to make someone jealous.
I have.
Never you?
You have?
Biz
I know,
every day.
Shut up.
Make someone jealous? No.
Never have I ever had a one-night stand.
I was gonna ask that.
Never.
You have? You never had
With
one?
you, duh.
I guess I haven't.
I feel never.
No, I never had two.
Whatever.
I've never had.
Yeah, I have.
Drink up, drink up.
That's why I don't like to play this game.
Never have I ever participated in role play.
Okay. Never have I ever hated a present but told someone that I loved it. I have.
I have.
When my mom used to give me like all these really weird ass presents. I'm like, Mom, I love it. Not really.
Have.
Never have I ever been walked in on by my parents.
Never.
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 Never have I ever done it with a family member in the same room.
Never have.
Never.
Never.
You guys have like 25 people there.
I know.
Okay. Never have I ever stalked an ex-boyfriend or girlfriend on social media.
You have?
Stalked. Like, have you stalked them on the internet?
I have.
I have.
I never have.
Never.
You never have? We're stalkers. We're girls.
Yeah.
Because I,
Struggle.
because I blocked them.
Professional.
Never have I ever gone to the bathroom and then not washed my hands. I have. I'm so
I
disgusting.
have.
I remember how
Yeah.
creepy.
You have?
Yeah.
That's you too. eh?
Never have I ever given a lap dance.
Never.
Never.
To you, I gave you something.
Don't lie, babe.
To you, I gave you lap dance, Abraham.
Hurry up. Turn
Never,
it.
never.
You have to turn it.
What?
Have you or not?
To her?
Have
Well,
Yeah.
that's to have if you have.
You have?
Yeah, bro.
You nasty ass.
Not to me either.
Okay, Mike. Never have I ever kissed someone without knowing him or her.
I have.
What?
I
Never.
No.
Really?
No. Never have I ever made out with someone of the same sex. Never.
Never.
Have.
You fucking girls are. You're so. You're the same people.
I know. It was her. I'm kidding.
Who was it?
No. I don't know. I mean, I know, but. Oh, let me say.
You're like 14 years old. You're nasty.
I'm not 14.
Well, you look like 14.
And you look like.
Fuck you.
Never have I ever said I love you without meaning it.
I never have.
Never.
You have?
You have?
Never.
Never.
Oh.
Never. That's a good
You
question.
love me?
I was like, I was so nervously thinking, oh, you better not. You better not have baby.
Never have I ever slept with someone I wasn't attracted to.
So hard.
You have?
Never.
Never.
Lies.
You
Not
have?
lying.
Oh,
Okay, never have I ever been in handcuffs.
I have.
never. I have.
Really? All of them? No, like,
Do you remember how they took me for?
yeah.
That's the first time in my life I was in handcuffs in my life, bro.
You can make one up.
Never have ever eat my boogers before. I have.
I have.
Never.
Babe, shut
This is the other
up.
coach, he knows.
When you were little?
No.
Okay.
You fucking booger eater motherfucker. Yeah, you're my. Fuck yeah, dude. So what? It was salty.
Okay. Never have I ever fallen down in public because I was drunk.
That's what I was about to say.
I have.
Many
I really.
No.
Many times.
Never.
Always.
Are you drinking your water?
Yeah.
Never have I ever peed my pants.
I have.
I have.
You have? That's nasty, bro.
I have. Still like a couple years ago.
Remember when you threw up in my room? Like
Yeah.
all over on my shoes?
Ew.
Are you drunk?
Yeah, it was really drunk.
You got really
Well, you by just making me tired.
¿Qué le va el fuego?
Yo también a la verga.
Never have I ever kept a wallet or a money that someone dropped. Or money that
I have. Fuck yeah.
Never.
I have.
I haven't.
Never. Okay.
Who's next?
You have.
Never have I ever have little poop in your underwear and not changed it for a while.
Ew.
Like los sellos, you know los sellos?
Yeah.
Sellado?
You're nasty.
Never.
Never.
I have.
Ew. Right now.
No, not right now. Yeah, oh brown.
Never have I ever drank so much I did not remember my whole night.
I have. I have.
A couple times.
This kind of.
Yeah, all the time.
A la verga, güey.
My name is Joseph.
Never have I ever made love in the shower.
La madre.
You have?
I am. Ew.
Alright, y'all, this is all. If you guys want us to do more games, subscribe down. Or no, comment down, subscribe to our channel. We can probably do more if you guys like it. If you guys don't like it, then go have yourselves. I'm just kidding. But go subscribe. Write down what you can ask us questions too. We can do more. Just me and her because they're boring. Just kidding.
What?
I'm kidding. Okay, bye.